What do you want to do?
Put this in mouth.
Why'd you put it in your mouth?
No, this mommy mouth. No, and this put mommy's mouth.
Would it be fun?
Yeah. Yeah, then you put button.
And then what?
You got put it. Mommy, stop taking pictures. So, open mouth.
Okay, I'll open my mouth. Okay. Now we have to wait.
Mommy, you got wait.
You put it in the camera's mouth.
You got wait.
What's it say?
I said, I love you, Daddy.
It says I love you, Daddy on it. Aww.
Yeah.